Hooks all open and release confirmed at 11:05 a.m. Central Time, while Dragon and the International Space Station flew 259 statute miles above the North Atlantic Ocean.
Freedom Station on the wake loop. Station. We're sad to see you go. We wish you Godspeed, safe re-entry and landing, and calm seas. We're going to miss you guys. We're thankful for your mentorship. Enjoy your time with your families. For the Good Word Station. It was an absolute pleasure and privilege to serve on the space station these past 6 months, and a joy to get to work with you all for the past couple of weeks. We know that you're going to continue to do amazing things on station. We look forward to seeing you back home as well.
And we are just about a minute away from splashdown of the Dragon vehicle back onto planet Earth, and hearing good call-outs of the altitude of Dragon.
Freedom's at 200 meters. We're bracing for splashdown. Copy. Brace for splashdown.
And again, that descent rate is as expected here. Pretty soon we should be able to see the view of the ocean come into view as Crew Dragon Freedom with 4 astronauts on board prepares to splash down after spending 170 days in space after launching on April 27th.
Incredible view as the crowd goes wild for Crew 4.
Copy. Freedom, SpaceX Crew splashdown and mains cut.
Welcome home. Welcome home, Crew 4. Great view watching Dragon splash down back on planet Earth. Now, as you can see on your screen, we have visual confirmation for splashdown of the Dragon spacecraft. Dragon Freedom has returned home, and NASA astronauts Chell, Bob, Jessica, and ES.
SpaceX Freedom, we are water uprighting and stable 1. Copy. Freedom. We see stable 1. You are go for 4.800. And on behalf of SpaceX, welcome home. Thanks for flying SpaceX. And SpaceX from Freedom, thank you for an incredible ride up to orbit and an incredible ride home. Glad to be back.